Greetings everyone. This is Retractor Aarti from Rotary Club of Coimbatore Majestic. I am here to present a video on urbanization as a participant of Speakers Unlimited hosted by Rotary Club of Coimbatore Unique. Okay, let's move to the topic. What is urbanization? Everyone asks. Okay, urbanization means increasing number of people living in cities. Urbanization is migration of people from rural areas to cities, and expansion of cities also we can include in the part of urbanization. Urbanization may have both advantages as well as disadvantages. There are a lot more to speak about urbanization. Okay, what is the major cause of urbanization? Yes, the factor urbanization begins after Indian independence. Unbelievable, right? Yes. Mixed economy is the major factor of urbanization, which results in the growth of public sectors in India. I can also say that lack of jobs in rural areas may tempt people to move to cities in order to find unsatisfied job for their own development and also settlement. I can now quote advantages of urbanization. Cities are more efficient than the rural areas. The people who are living in cities can easily find their basic needs than the rural people. They need not to move. Instead of they can find everything in the form of online deliveries through Amazon, Flipkart and many more are there. We can feel the technology development in these cases. City people have more advanced communication and transportation. We can witness people working together, studying together without thinking of any religion, castes and everything. We can proudly say unity in diversity on witnessing these things. Simply, I can say that they are living together in small areas with utmost understanding and tolerance. Development of world economy, and they are also people who are living in cities are also contributing to Indian economy. I mean world economic development, and also they have a major role in emerging level of industrialization. Apart from advantages, we can also have disadvantages in urbanization. Nowadays, developing countries are experiencing a rapid urbanization. It becomes a major problem in their country development as well as economic development. The major disadvantages are overpopulation, lack of affordable housing, more number of slum areas, and flood. On saying flood, I can remember that poor urban plans is also a cause for floods. Hope you know about recent Chennai floods in 2017. Surveys are pointing that poor urban plans is also a minor reason for floods. On adding to this, Tamil Nadu is the most urbanized states in India. We can witness the growth of Tamil Nadu in this through this statement. Okay. Solutions of urbanization. On moving to solutions of urbanization, as everyone says, modern problem needs modern solution. Yes, by managing the pollution, and we can also encourage them to use public transports instead of using their own cars like that, so that they can reduce air pollution. By using recyclable things, they can reduce land pollution, air pollution, etc. Involvement of local community in government also may reduce the I think it is also a solution for urbanization. Then finally, urbanization is a factor with 50% of advantage and 50% of disadvantages. Okay, that's all. I can finally thank Rotary Club of Coimbatore Unique for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.